In this tutorial, I am going to retrieve data from a web page and save it in an Excel sheet. And this action is usually done in case of having a regression in a version of a software, and this will help with a reference. So I'm going to start by creating a description, my first object. I'll give it a value. The classes are classes predefined in object repository, which represents the name of the class. In my case, the value is going to be link. I'm going to retrieve links from a web page. I'm going to create another object, which is link equal to browser, and I'm going to give it the property of creation time equal to 0. Dot page page. I'm going to give it the title equal to dot star. Dot star means that all the pages, any page opened in the web browser with creation time equal to 0, then the child objects. And I'll give it the desk object. Just to make sure of the typo. Okay. Of course, as it is written in the title, we are working with descriptive programming, so we will not use the object repository. So so we are going to extract all the links in our page and put them in object. So this object is containing all the links in our page. All right. So now the next step is to retrieve those links and save them in an Excel sheet. All right. But first of all, we should store those links in our QTP data table. Okay. So I'm going to insert a loop for. Alright, it's going to start from 0. Object is an object. To object.count. -1. We start from 0. Okay, so before that, I'm going to give a name to my column. Okay. For that, I will use data table dot global sheet dot add parameter. Okay, and I'll give it the first links, for example, and insert a column, then an empty column next to it. The column next to it is going to be empty. Okay, now now let's work with the cursor. data table dot set current row, and we are going to give it I dot plus 1 because our data table, the cursor starts from 1, unlike the object where the cursor starts from 0. So we have, in each iteration, we will increment it by 1. And now let's fill our data table. In the column links, just going to copy it to avoid typo mistakes. Equal to obj link. Okay, obj link, as I told you, contains all the links in my page. So I'm going to retrieve a certain element dot get, and that element I need get a row. I need a specific property, which is the name, because as I told you, we're going to retrieve the text. So the name, you can check this with the object by. This is for the filling my data table. So now our main role is to retrieve data in an external sheet, which is an Excel sheet. So we are going to export our data table in a file. So for that, we're going to use data table dot exports, and we are going to give the path. I just created a file here in my C driver. Okay, we're gonna give it and give the name of the file. For example, Google links dot xls. All right. So don't forget this, because we are setting our cursor manually. So we have to go to File, Settings, Run, and make sure that data table iteration is the one iteration only is checked. Okay, hit apply and then OK. All right, now we need to save our code. So we are going to extract those links here in this page and store them in an Excel file. All right, so let's run it. As you can see here, first of all, let's start by storing it in the data table, like locally. Okay, the execution is finished, and we are going to check this path. Yes, the QTP created an external sheet, an Excel external sheet. Let's check the element of this Excel sheet. Yes, it contains all the links contained on the in this Google page, as you can see. So yes, so if you find that this video is interesting, hit subscribe to receive other more interesting video on the software testing field. So thank you for watching.